As a fellow founder, I know how important it is to manage cash flow. So, when facing legal issues that appear simple on the surface, it is tempting to go online, find useful tools, and try to fix it yourself. But here's the problem: you do not know what you do not know. And those blind spots can result in critical mistakes that can be very expensive to fix later on or may not even be fixable. So that's why I am creating Yaaba Academy. My mission is to move you from you do not know what you do not know to you do know what you do know. So now you can handle the simple legal issues that arise in the early stages of your business. And when you are ready, you can work with a seasoned lawyer to tackle the more complex legal matters. Yaaba Academy will cover key legal issues that arise along a company's life cycle, from protecting intellectual property at the very early stage of your business, to incorporation strategies, to financing options, as well as regulatory and compliance issues that arise as your business grows. Yaaba Academy is for entrepreneurs that are launching their businesses, for lawyers that are looking to grow and learn and build their practice, as well as seasoned professionals who are trying to collaborate better with their legal colleagues. So, if you're interested in protecting your ideas, growing your business, and and want to feel confident in navigating the legal side of entrepreneurship, subscribe to Yaaba Academy and let's learn and grow together.